Good morning, students. Welcome to Teacher I class. Before we start our new lesson, let us recall. Okay, yesterday we studied about things we used for communication. Can you name those things? Telephone, megaphone, television, radio, computer. Very good, students. So those are the things we use for communication. So today we are going to continue our lesson, but this time we are going to learn the difference of the things we use for communication. Are you ready? Okay, let's start, students. Okay, look at the picture, students. What do you see? What is this? Telephone. Very good. How about this one? What's this? A radio. Good job. How about this one? Mailbox. Very good. How about this? A lady writing a letter. Very good, students. How about this one? A magazine. Good job. Okay, let's proceed. You look at the picture, students. What is this? A mobile phone. Very good, students. A mobile phone. So what is the use of mobile phone? Okay, maybe we can use it. We can use it in business, right? We can use mobile phone to communicate with our loved ones, friends, relatives. And also we use our mobile phone for online class. Like most of you, I know you are using your mobile phone, right? That is the use of mobile phone. How about this one? What is this? A book. Very good. So in this book, you will find the answers that you want to know. Okay, example of books like dictionary book. Okay, you can find the meaning of the words you want to know in a dictionary. Again, everybody say book. Very good. Okay, how about this one? Do you know what is this? A newspaper. Very good. Newspaper. So what do you see in a newspaper? Of course, you can read. Okay, you can read a news from the word itself, right? You can read news about politics, right? About politics, about business, about the crime that is happening not only to your place but all over the world. So before, we rely on newspaper if we want to update to what is happening around us. But now, because of social media, okay, we rely on social media now because anywhere we can update about what is happening around us. Again, everybody say newspaper. Okay, how about this one? Magazine. What do you see in a magazine? Okay, pictures of different personality, right? Pictures of famous people in the world. You will see their lifestyle there. And of course, also you can see in a magazine food, right? The famous food in the world, it features in magazine. Again, everybody say magazine. Very good. Okay, how about this one? What is this? Television. Very good, students. This is a television. So what is the use of television? We can watch our favorite movies, right? Variety shows, your favorite cartoons, and of course, you can watch the news. Okay, you can watch the news about what is happening around us, especially now the COVID cases. Okay, the COVID case you can watch on the television. You're able to update. Okay, how about this one? Do you know what is this? Do you still see a radio like this? No. Okay, students, everybody say again, radio. So what is the use of radio? Can hear your favorite music, and at the same time, you can hear the news. Okay, you can hear also the news. So later, I will explain the difference between the things that use for communication. Next is, what is this? Telephone. Do you still using telephone now? Or do you still see a telephone now? No. Usually we see telephone in the office. Okay, in the office because of new technology and gadgets that we are using now. So it's upgraded. How about this one? Do you still remember what you call this? A letter. This is the way of communication before. You will write a letter. You can get the letter for sometimes a month, a week before you got the letter. Okay, next is computer. What is the use of computer? Okay, aside from saving files, computer is used for business, right? For work. And of course, for online class, we can use computer or laptop. Okay, let us talk about the differences of the things that we use for communication. So usually, we use computer now in school, right? But most people now are using laptop. So what is the difference between the laptop and the computer? Okay, are you ready? The difference between laptop and computer is a laptop can bring anywhere. Yes, unlike computer, can you bring a computer anywhere? No, so that is the difference, but they have the same use. Okay, next is letter. Do you still writing a letter to communicate with your loved ones now? No, because now we have gadgets. Easy for us to communicate to our loved ones, friends, and relatives. So the people use it before. But now I think no one is using writing letter to communicate with others. Okay. Telephone and mobile phone have the same use, right? To communicate with someone. But mobile phone can use for online class, okay? But telephone cannot. And another thing is Mobile phone can bring anywhere. Telephone cannot. So that is the difference of the two things we use for communication. Radio and television, what are their difference? Okay, let's start with television. In television, you can see, right? You can see and hear. Unlike radio, you can only hear the news, the music. That is their difference. Magazine and newspaper, what are their difference? Newspaper is ordinary paper. Na? Ordinary paper. You can also see news, but magazine is more attractive, right? This more attractive and it's thick and colorful. Okay, let us answer the activity I prepare for you. Let us match the words or the pictures with the words. Let's start with number 1. Okay, you can see a picture and then below you can see 3 words. Which one is the name of the picture? What is your answer? Letter B. What is letter B? Radio. Are you sure? Okay, let's check, students. Very good. The correct answer for number 1 is radio. How about picture number 2? What is the name of the things used for communication? Is it A, television, B, telephone, or letter C, letter? Your answer is letter B. What is letter B? Telephone. Let us check. Very good. Number 2 is telephone. Let's proceed to number 3. What is that? Letter A, book. B, computer, or letter C, newspaper? Your answer is B. What is letter B? Computer. Okay, let's check. Very good. The correct answer is letter B, computer. Okay, last picture number 4. What is that? What is the name of that thing? A, mobile phone. B, book. Letter C, television. Letter A. What is letter A? Mobile phone. Okay, everybody, let us check. Good job. Very good. You got all the correct answer. Now, I want you to get your worksheet book. Okay, but before that, let us name the things we use before for communication, before and now. Everybody say mobile phone, book, newspaper, magazine, television, radio, telephone, letter, computer. Good job. Okay, get your worksheet book and open it on the next page. Do not forget to write your name here, below your nickname, and on the right side is your grade level. So what you are going to do, students, is to match the word to its picture. You're going to draw a line. For example, the first word is mobile phone. You are going to draw a line, start from here, going here. You understand, students? Very good. You may start doing it now. That's all for today, students. I hope you had fun and you learned from our lesson today. Teacher, I will see you again tomorrow, students. Do not forget to wear your mask when you go out and to wash your hands properly. Bye-bye.